If you're serious about getting rich, you need to stop buying these 3 things that are secretly draining your wealth. Let's dive in. 1. Expensive coffee and unnecessary subscriptions. That $5 coffee every morning might seem harmless, but over a year, that's nearly $2,000 gone. Add unused subscriptions, Netflix, gym memberships, software, and you're wasting thousands without even realizing it. Instead, make your coffee at home and audit your subscriptions. Every dollar saved is a dollar invested in your future. 2. The latest gadgets and luxury items. New phones, designer clothes, and flashy cars may look cool, but they lose value fast. The moment you buy them, their worth drops, and your bank balance takes a hit. Instead of chasing trends, focus on assets that grow in value like stocks, real estate, or even your own business. 3. Eating out and impulse shopping. Dining out frequently and impulse shopping are silent wealth killers. A $30 meal today is $30,000 lost in potential investments over time. Cook at home, plan your purchases, and watch your bank account. If you want to build wealth, start by cutting these money traps. Save smart, invest wisely, and watch your financial future transform. Hit like if you found this helpful and subscribe for more financial tips.